invest in stock market and you don't know the exact way to enter the markets, what is the timing to take your to invest your money in the stocks, so this video is for you. I have been into investment recently, so I'm searching for some high probability patterns to invest my money here. So I have found that ICICI Prudential Life Insurance is giving the right opportunity to invest your money. So I would like to discuss this with you. In this video, I'm not going to discuss in depth about the reason behind all these things. But what I would like to tell you here is, once the price breaks above this green line, okay, above this green line and closes above this line with a good, what is it called, green candle. We need a green candle, okay, and closes somewhere like this. We can expect some good move like this. What is our target? So the target here is around 800. This should be your target and this is your entry. Okay. You place your stop loss below this low. Okay. This is the place where you have to place your stop loss. This is the setup that is happening in ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. So let's see what happens in the market. The reason behind this is there is a cup with handle pattern here. Okay. It has formed throughout the years. That means from September 2022 to 21st March 24, somewhere here, 27th March here. So this is the cup with handle pattern. Before I'm coming into this, I have saw this pattern in ONGC also, and I would like to invest that time, but due to some reasons I haven't invested, and I would like to show you what this cup with handle pattern can bring to you. What is the benefit of using this pattern? What is the analysis behind all these things will be discussed here. Let me show you what is this pattern that has happened earlier in ONGC, where I wanted to take the trade, but I haven't. So let me show you the ONGC also here. Okay, you can see here, this is also a cup. This is the cup with handle. Hope you guys understand what I'm saying. This is the cup with handle pattern, and you can see here how the price is breaking out of this area. See, once the price closes above this line, okay, price closes above this line with a good green candle, the investors would enter the markets. This is how actually it was like this. Okay, this is how you have to invest your money. And see here, this is the cup with handle pattern. There is a good breakout till here, which is a good risk reward trade. Okay, this is going to be a swing position. Actually, I won't hedge this, but I invest some small amounts in this investment stocks. So I leave it. Why? Because every stock wants to move up, right? The stock is a combination of the big shorts over there. They won't let their price to move downwards. So there is a higher opportunity when this pattern happens and it breaks out of this range. The price will move like this, shoot up like this. So my idea is here is, I want to invest in ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. Okay, let me go here and check it. And we have to understand this. The movement depends upon the overall market conditions. Hope you guys understand. If there is nothing wrong in the markets that would impact in a major way, there are higher chances to the price to move to your targets. So what you should do here is wait until the price breaks out of these wicks. You can see these wicks. Wicks are the indication for the what is it called? Mm, selling pressure, right? There is a selling pressure here. The idea behind staying here is it has to close above this one, and we have to enter here. We should place our stop losses somewhere here, and we can aim for the target of 800 rupees. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And if you want to learn about the investment strategies, you can approach me, and you can have a course on investment strategies. I'm going to give the investment course details in the description box. And I would like to give you my mail ID also where you can learn from me. Okay, if you're having some good money and you want to invest your money in the stocks, you don't know the exact way, the good way to do it, you can take the course on investment. So in this way, you can be able to do your own investments by yourselves. Thank you so much for watching my videos.